I've been sent these two DS lights by a viewer to fix. We're going to jump straight into it. Now this one here, they said, obviously we have a broken hinge here, which means the screen is flopping all about. It does still turn on. I believe the only issue they said was Mr. Broken Hinge there. This one, I believe, it did not turn on. We have nothing. That pin on there should be pretty straightforward. Just replace that hinge piece, nice and easy. You might start with this one, see what's involved in this. It could be a bit more difficult. Obviously, first things first, plug the amp meter in, see if it takes a charge. Charging light comes on. We have 0.08. Not great. We shall leave that for a bit and see if it does anything. Right, I left it for a bit, come back, it's stopped. It's now saying it's charged. Let's see what it does. Still nothing. Obviously, first step first, battery replacement. Oh, it's charging better. It says it's charging. I am doubtful it's just the battery. Still nothing. Alright, let's open it up. Now I did just notice with this battery cover off, a little bit of what looks like some sort of liquid along there. Along here too. On there. So potentially liquid damage. Let's find out. There's no obvious liquid damage inside now that we've got that cover off. And we'll do the basics, of course. Multimeter and beeper mode. We'll check these fuses. I figured that would be the case, those fuses being alright, given it did charge. Now, I did just spot something, and I've had this once before, and I did one of my very earliest videos about this. I'm going to zoom in, see if you can spot it. Let's have a look around. Zoom might not be the best for you to tell. There is something missing. If you spotted it or not, that L2 inductor, I believe, is missing. Don't know where. I don't know where it's gone because it's not in that half of the shell and it's not down here. I can't see it anyway. So that, if that's the only thing that's wrong with it, pretty straightforward. Let's grab a donor board. Grab a donor board. This one looks pretty munted. It's got no CPU or RAM, so it's got no hope of coming back to life. So it's that one there, which is missing off that one there. Alright, we'll start by getting the one off the donor board first. A little bit of flux on there. Now we've got the board that we need to reattach it to. That there. We will remove the old solder. Flux again. Get a touch of that in that flux, and then we're going to solder it on. Quick clean. We'll get that reassembled and we'll find out if it works. Just gonna clean up the edges and stuff a little bit before we put it back together so it's a bit nicer. And before we test it, are you ready to bring your electronic dreams to life? Look no further than PCB Way, your ultimate destination for top-notch PCB printing services. They offer precision,
speed, affordability, turning your designs into reality. With state-of-the-art technology and a team of skilled professionals, PCB Way ensures high-quality circuit boards tailored to your specifications. From prototypes to production, they've got you covered. Fast turnaround, competitive prices, reliable global shipping. Don't just imagine, innovate with PCB Way. They also have a web store. Tools for the hobbyist, very handy. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself.
Now let's see if that was the only problem with it. Hey, look at that. One down, one to go. This one just needs that hinge piece replaced. Here's one I prepared earlier. So we will skip over the removal of this. We'll just go straight to the replacement of that. And with that new hinge on, that screen is nice and solid. It's not flopping all over the place anymore. So we're good. 2 out of 2. Nice, solid. That one can bugger off. Turns on, it's happy. Now I potentially forget to hit the record button while I did that one. So I don't know if I actually captured all that. I'm going to find out later in editing. But they are both working, so I can let the viewer know. Fixed, happy, done. That'll be it for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. Why not? If not, we'll see you in the next one.